In this module, we will look at the appointment, retirement and removal of trustees. There are a number of restrictions upon a person's ability to act as a trustee. A minor may not act as a trustee by virtue of the Law of Property Act 1925. However, the appointment of a minor trustee does not render the entire trust void, as the power to appoint a replacement trustee is expressly unaffected by the Act. Under the Trustee Act, where a trustee remains outside of the UK for more than 12 months, they can be replaced. It is not possible to appoint a mentally incapable person as a trustee. Any person who, after their appointment, loses mental capacity can be removed by virtue of the Trustee Act. Where a trustee who has lost mental capacity had made an enduring power of attorney, which was registered before the 1st of March 2001, their attorney will have the ability to discharge their functions as trustee. Under the Trustee Act, there may not be more than 4 trustees of a settlement of land. However, there is no restriction on the maximum number of trustees of a trust where there is no settlement or trust of land, e.g., a trust of personalty, such as chattels or shares in a company. Under the Law of Property Act, a minimum of 2 individual trustees or a sole trust corporation is required to give a valid receipt for the proceeds of sale of land. Under the Charities Act and the Pensions Act, bankrupts, those who have entered into an individual voluntary arrangement with their creditors, those convicted of an offence of dishonesty or deception, and those disqualified from acting as company directors are precluded from acting as trustees of a charitable trust or of a pension scheme trust.